Good morning, all. I welcome you to today's class of AI. In this class, we are going to see the A star algorithm. In previous class, we have seen the algorithm just related to this, okay? That is uniform cost search, and we have seen the problem of uniform cost search also. There we have seen it is a variant of best first search, which is one of the informed search algorithm, best first search, okay, which is finding the bestest path, okay, optimal path or the best path. So in this algorithm also, we are going to see the best optimal solution, okay. One of the algorithm we have seen is uniform costers. We have seen the problem also, okay, where some nodes are being expanded along with its cost value. And we have seen that in the whenever we are finding the cost value, if there is a more optimal solution to reaching to this path in some another direction, okay, like for example in a problem we have seen, we have a more better cost for reaching 10 is maybe 10 to the 10 to 10 with a cost of 12, okay. Initially we were having 10 with a cost of 19, okay, then we have 10 with a cost of 12, okay. So there can be more optimal solutions, better than 10 to the cost of 19. There is a 10 to the reaching to 10 with a cost of 12, right? So that is how the optimal solution is been find it out, and it has been updated in your like a queue, okay, in an open queue. And likewise we go for the traversing of the nodes. So nodes which are visited we are placing in the closed loop, okay, or in the closed queue. So this we have seen in the last class. In today's class, that is A star algorithm, again we are going to see that how the best path is being chosen out, okay, according to the cost or according to the other heuristic values, okay. So let us see A star. First read out the points, important points. A star search is the most commonly known from the best first search. I have already given you the explanation of this A star, okay. So this is most commonly known for best first search because this is an variant of uniform cost search, and uniform cost search is a variant of best first search, okay. So we can conclude that A star search is more better, or we are trying to see how it is more better than the best first search also, right? Now it uses heuristic function h of n. So h of n is the heuristic value. Okay, how to calculate this heuristic value, that also I have given you. Okay, the example, and the cost to reach the node n from the start state, that is g of n. Right now, it has a combined features of uniform cost search and greedy best first search. So A star is the combination of uniform cost search and greedy best first search. Okay, that is a best first search algorithm. Okay, please remember again, it is important for your MCQ question. Okay, that it is a combination of uniform cost search and best first search, greedy best first search, right? By which it will solve the problem efficiently. Now, A star search algorithm finds the shortest path through the search space using the heuristic function. Now, this search algorithm expands less search tree and provides optimal result faster. Yes, I have already told you to please remember uh, this formula, that is f of n equals to g of n plus h of n. Okay. Yes. Do you remember how to find the g of n value and how to find the h of n value? Yes. Yes, you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. From start state
Start
or
node
from
to
one
some
state to
another
another
node.
state, okay, node to node, if you want a calculation, that is the g of n value, that is start state to some another state, okay, which is not your goal, okay. So that is a g of n value, and from some state directly reaching to the goal state, that particular value is known as h of n value, okay. Like for example, I'll again give you: A is the node, B is node, and C is node, right? So if A is your start state and C is your goal state, okay, so moving from A to B, this is your G of n value, because A is your start state, and if C is your goal state, okay, so reaching from B to C is nothing but h of n value, direct route from some node to the direct goal node. Okay, from some particular node directly reaching to the goal node, that distance is known as h of n value. Fine. Now what will happen if there is, if for example, I'll draw here again, A is a root, okay, B is again a node, C, and suppose D. Okay, so moving from A to B, we have G of n value, and A is your start node, and suppose here D is now your destination or goal node, D. Okay, now can you tell me what is the distance of B to C? There will be another path, maybe reaching from A to C, okay, that will be your G of M,
G of
suppose.
n. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but if there is a path from B to C, that is nothing but, you have already read this in your design analysis, okay, Floyd Warshall algorithm. Have you read that algorithm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in Floyd Warshall algorithm, you have already seen that you calculate the cost, okay, cost of this, suppose n comma m. Okay, so that is nothing but, if you are moving from B node to C node, which are the, which is some another node, okay, this is not a start node, B to C, that is the cost is calculated by C of n comma m, okay, and that cost has been taken into consideration. Okay, and from C to D, again we have some h of n value.
Ma'am, C to
Fine.
D is G of n value and B
C
to
to
D is
D
H
is
of n.
directly reaching to goal node, that is the heuristic value. From
Okay.
some node, like from C is some node and D is your goal node. Okay, so from C to D, the value is h of n value, heuristic value. Here, like B to C, B is some another node and C is some another node. Fine, that is why we are finding as B to C as h of n value. Okay, so from
Okay, ma'am.
some node to the goal node, that is the h of n value. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, fine. So that is what here it is written. Algorithm I have already given you. We will go by the algorithm. First, we will initialize the open queue and close queue value. So open queue and close queue value, in open queue initially, like in uniform cost search we have seen. Okay, here also initially there will be a start node. Okay, so initially in open queue there will be S. S is standing for the start node. Okay, and in closed loop nothing will be there. Okay, then we are finding the G of S value, and we will finding the F of N value. Okay, so here, like in this example, can you tell me the G of S value if this is a start node? If A is a start node, can you tell me the G of S value, what it will be?
0.
0, because from start to start you don't have any distance. Okay, or there is no cost calculation. From same node to same node, there is no cost calculation. Fine, that is why from A to A, the G of S value will be 0, right? Because from A to B we have some cost value. Okay, maybe 2, maybe 3, something like that. The edge on the edge we are given some value, right? But from same node to same node, we don't have any cost value. Like for example, from Nagpur to Nagpur, we don't have any cost value. If we want to move from Nagpur to Mumbai, okay, so from Nagpur to Nagpur, there will be no cost value. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So that is why it is g of s is 0. Okay. Now, can you tell me what will be the f of s value in the start state? Like, consider this example, this diagram. Now here g of s value is 0 for initial state, okay, and for f of s value will be what? If you put the value in this particular
H
formula,
of
okay, so it will be f of s equals to g of s is 0, right, plus h of s. So it is equal, fine, this will be equal f of s equals to h
yes,
of
ma'am.
s,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
because g of s value is 0. So the same thing it has been written here. F of s equals to h of s. Fine. Now fail. Okay, it will fail if there is no values in open. Okay, of course something must be there in open. Then only we can traverse the other nodes. We can go to other nodes. But if there is no value in open, so we cannot move. So okay, so that is what it is written. It is fail if open is empty. Okay, and it will terminate and fail. It will end and fail. Now select what you need to select. Select the minimum cost state. So we are going to select a node which is having a least cost. Okay, same as uniform cost. Okay, and cost n from open we are going to select the node which is having a minimum cost. Save that in the closed loop, okay, or in the closed queue we are going to save that, or that means we are going to visit that node. Now terminate, when it is will terminate, if anytime if we are getting a goal state we are going to terminate. Getting my point? And on any moment,
Yes, ma'am.
if the node is goal node and we have chosen the goal node and we have put the goal node in the closed queue, that means we will be terminating or end of the problem. So that is what it is, terminate if n belongs to g. G is for goal. Okay, terminate with success and return f of n value. F of n value will be holding the g of value and h of value. That will be the total cost. Okay, now expand. If this will not be a process, then expand. Now how to expand? For each successor n, okay, for every node, okay, if that node is not belonging to open and closed, okay, if that node is not belonging to open and close, then that means that is a first time node which you are visiting. Okay, first time the node you are visiting. Okay, so that is what you need to calculate in this manner. Set g of m equals to g of n, sorry, f of m equals to g of n. It is f of m. F of m equals to g of n plus c of n comma m. That is what I have given you. What is that c of n comma m? If there is a node from a route from b to c, okay, where b is some another city and c is some another city which is not in start and which is not in goal. Okay, so the distance calculation, cost calculation will be in c of n comma m, cost of n comma m, that you have already performed this in your fluid virtual also similarly.
मैम आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है.
Now if m is in open, if your m node is there
मैम
and
वॉइस
it is
नहीं आ
in
रही है.
open, okay, then what you need to do, if m belongs to open or closed, set g of m equals to minimum g of m comma g of n plus c of n comma m. That we will see in problem. You will come to understand that how we are performing this particular formula. Right, now set f of m
Hello?
equals to g of m plus h of m. Now if f of m has decreased and m belongs to closed, then
मैम
move
आपका
m
आवाज
to
बहुत स्लो है.
open. Fine. Again, we will continue this. And decrease means if there is some like less value or negative value. Okay. So we will move the value from open to close to open. Okay. And if m has decreased, f of m has, okay, I'm audible now. Om, hello. Is my
Yes,
voice
ma'am.
breaking?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. You are audible,
Dipanjali, am I
clearly.
audible?
यस
Yes,
मैम,
ma'am.
थोड़ा लेट आ रही है मैम आपकी आवाज़.
Yes, Dipanjali, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, can anybody reply me? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
Priya?
ma'am.
ma'am.
यस
Yes,
मैम.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please reply me if I'm asking, okay? Because somebody has messaged, Om has messaged me that he is not able to view my voice.
यस मैम, नाउ इट इज कमिंग.
Okay, okay, fine. So if anytime I'm getting the better f of m value is more better, okay, then we will update that f of m value. Like we were updating in the uniform cost search, here also we are going to update that f of m value. Okay, like we are having a value 10 with a cost of 19 and we get it 10 with a cost of 13. Okay, we will update that value in the open queue. Okay, that is what it is written. If f of m has decreased and m belongs to closed, then move m to open. Okay, now again go to step 2. So let us see the problem for this so that you will more better understand.
मैम वो सी ऑफ एन एम वो फंक्शन है क्या मैम कोई?
हाँ, it's a function to calculate the cost. We'll come to know that. Okay, here also we will draw the same problem. Okay, example of A star. Okay, everybody can draw with me the graph. Okay, and so that we can solve it. So our aim is to find the minimal cost, like in traveling salesman problem. Okay, we are interested to find the minimum shortest path. Okay, so here also we are going to find it out the shortest path. and 12 is your goal node value. Same graph we are going to see as in uniform cost search we have seen. So whatever the values I am writing now is the cost value that we have seen in uniform cost search also. So this is the cost value from reaching from one node to another node. Now here in A star, we are having an heuristic value which is available for each and every node. This heuristic value will define, like here on node 1, we are having an heuristic value is 12. Okay, random values I have chosen. So the heuristic value 12 means reaching from 1 to goal node 12. Okay, the total distance required is, or the total cost required is 12. Okay, the estimate of the cost required to reach from 1 to 12, 1 node to 12 node is 12. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the h of n value. For every node we have the h of n value which is given, like here 10. So any random value I have selected here, 16, 15. Okay, for node 8, 15 again. For node 5, 12. That means the estimate of cost from 5 node to 12 node is 12. For node 6, it is 7. For node 9, again for example, we'll take as 12. For node 10, sorry, 10 will be suppose 4. For 11, consider 1. For 7, consider 11. Yes. Now, can you tell me what will be the h of value for goal node? For goal node? See, g of value for the start node will be 0 because from same
Zero.
node to same node there will be no cost. Fine. So g of n value for the start state is 0. So h of n value for the goal node will be, if you have reached the goal node, so from goal node to goal node there is no heuristic value, no? Because
Yes,
this
ma'am.
heuristic value calculate what? This heuristic value, like from where my pointer is, okay, for one node, the heuristic value is 12. That means it is an estimated cost that is from reaching from 1 direct to the goal node 12. The estimated cost is 12. That is what it has been mentioned. Okay, like here the heuristic value for node 2 is 10. It means what? The estimated cost, if we have started the journey from a node 2, okay, if we have started the journey from node 2, okay, or if I am on node 2, whatever the city of the node 2, and I want to go to goal node 12, so the estimated cost is 10. Got my point? So that is the h of value. Okay, heuristic value. So for the goal node 12, okay, what will be the heuristic value? From same node, if I have reached the goal node, what will be the value of the goal node? From goal node to goal node,
0.
there will be no heuristic value,
0.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
From goal node to goal node, there will be no heuristic value. So this will be, of course, 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, fine. We will place the queue that is open and closed, and let us try to calculate the minimum cost for the graph for using A star. We have seen the same problem by using uniform cost search. Now let us see A star. Now later on you can tell me the difference between A star and uniform cost search. So these are the two queues. Okay, working as a priority queue, one of the data structure that we have chosen here, priority queue. Okay, now at first, if you have remembered the algorithm, the first step was initialize the open with an initial state. So what is our initial state here? Initial state is 1.
1.
1 with a cost of
0.
0. Okay, so 0 plus h of n value. Fine. See, in everywhere what we are mentioning here, let me write 1. Now in uniform cost search, we are writing the cost value in the bracket. Here we are going to write the f of n value. Okay, f of n value of every node. Okay, so can you tell me the f of value for the start node? F of value for the start node?
12.
12.
I'll calculate here. Okay, I'll calculate here for the node 1. For the node 1, f of value will be, for node 1, that is a start state. Okay, 0 is the g of value plus h of value is 12. Fine. So f of value will be 12 for the initial state. So I will writing here 12. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have placed this one with an f of n value 12 in an close queue, and then we have again traverse its child node. So what are the child nodes? 5 with its f of n value. What is the f of n value of 5? This is for 1. What is the f of n value for 5?
1.
F of n value for 5. What is the g of n value? The distance calculation from 1 to 5. So that is the g of n value. That is 1 plus, please यहाँ पे ध्यान दो, please see here everyone, g of value is 1, so I have written here 1 plus h of value. H of value for
12.
node 5 is 12. Okay, This is the h of value for node 5. So it will be total 13. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will be writing 5 of 13. Okay. Another child node is 2. 2 again with what will be the node value for f of value for 2?
12 f of n.
2 plus 2 plus
10.
see distance is g of value
10.
is reaching from one node to 2. That will be the g of n value. Got my point? What is the g of n value for the node 2? Reaching from start node to the node 2, that will be the g of n value. Okay, so that is 2. Okay, now what is the h of n value for the node 2? It is 10.
10.
10.
10. Okay, so it will be 12. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you are going to calculate the minimum f of n value here. What is the minimum f of n value in open loop? That will be in the closed loop.
12.
In open queue, the minimum value is 2 with the cost of 12.
12.
So we will be again traversing the node 2. For node 2, we will be having 3. What will be the 3 value? See, for 3 it will be
16 plus
17.
19.
19, ma'am.
see for 3 you have to calculate the g value, right? G
Yes, ma'am.
value and c of n comma m. Okay, those g value will be directly from one start state
1
to
to
this
3.
particular state. So that is 1. Sorry, 3.
Yes, ma'am.
3. Okay, the cost from 1 to 3 is 2 and
3.
see here. I'll put the pointer. From 1 to 3, the value is
2 plus
2
1, 3.
and 1. 2 plus 1. Okay, that is 3. Fine. Now, plus the h of n value of node 3. That is
16.
16.
16.
19.
So we will get
19.
19. Okay,
19.
so here it will be 19. Now, what is the another child node?
मैम वो ब्रैकेट में
6.
f of n है क्या?
Yes, n. What is the another
6,
child node?
ma'am.
6. Can you tell me the
6.
value of 6?
12.
6
12, ma'am.
is 5 plus 7.
12, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 12.
So it will be 12. Okay. Again, you are writing the already node which is available in the queue. That is 5 with a cost of 30. Now, what will be the minimum value? 6 with a cost of
12, ma'am. 12.
6 with a cost of 12.
12.
Are you finding the difference between this and UCS? Yes. If you are going to elaborate 6 with a cost of 12, so first write the remaining nodes. 3 with a
Yes,
cost
ma'am.
of 19. 5 with a cost of 13. What are the child nodes for 6 now?
10 and 7.
And 7, 5.
6 child node is 10 and
10.
5. So if you have the better
I will
value of
also-
5, you can update that. Okay. If you find better value of 5, okay, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
update that. But 7 is also there, right? 7 is also there. Yes. So what will be the value? 5 is already visited.
10 is 9. 10 with a cost of 9.
Yes, 10 is 4, 3, 2. How much? 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 4. See here.
13.
10. 4, 3, 2.
39.
Okay, from 1 to 10 directly, what will be the g of n value? 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 9. 9 plus h of value of 10.
4. 4.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that is 13. And we are having 7 with an f of n value. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 11, 16.
16.
Now what is the minimum cost value? Minimum cost value is 13. 5 of, see, you have the two values with a cost of 13. You can choose any one. Okay, or rather I can say you can choose the one which is having a least, or it is already in the priority queue. Okay, so you can choose any one. So I will be selecting 5 with a node of with a cost of
13.
13, which was already there in the priority queue. You can choose that. So 5 was initially there. So we will write the remaining nodes. 3 with an f of n value as 19, 10 with 13, and 7 with 16. Now, yes, now nodes of 5. What are the child nodes of 5?
5, 9.
Can you tell me the 9 f of n value?
Cost of 14.
2 plus 12.
12. Yes, ma'am.
14,
14.
ma'am.
Okay, now what is the minimum cost here?
13.
10 with the
10
cost
with
of
a cost
13.
of
13.
13. Okay, again, if I elaborate it, I'll get 3 with a cost of 19. Okay, then 7 with a cost of 16. 9 with a cost of 14. And
मैम
मैम
yes,
मैम 7 का कॉस्ट तो 17 होना चाहिए ना मैम.
7 का, एक सेकंड, yes, 17 होना चाहिए. I'll update that. 17. Okay.
ओके मैम.
9 with a cost of 14. Now we are elaborating 10. Okay. Now 10 child node is 11 with a cost of 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 3
14 मैम.
13, 13 plus 1 14.
बट अगर इधर से ले तो कम आता है,
No,
जैसे
but
2
we are
plus 3.
choosing the path from where we are coming. Okay, like from 10 we are moving, no? So we will come to this path. There can be more better path. Okay, but
From 2 plus
since
3
we
plus-
have chosen, one second, since we have chosen, see, from 10 to 7, and then from then 9 we have selected. So from 10, before 10 we were having 9, right? So we will choose the same path. There can be more optimal path also. Okay, but the better, if you have the better f of n value, you can update it. You can update it. Okay, otherwise you go in the same manner only. how you are coming. Okay, like we have selected here 9, so we will be choosing the same path as from 9. From 9 we are choosing. Yes. Now again 11 with an cost of are you getting 11 with better less value?
Yes, ma'am. But 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1, then 14 से
Then
कम
you
है
can
वो तो.
update it. Then you can update in the open queue. If you have, you can update. Is there any value? 4 plus 3 is 7.
14,
7
ma'am.
plus 3 is 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus
10.
2 is
12.
12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Yes, you can go for
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
See, from here we are having 11 with a cost of 14. Okay, and from this route we are from another route we are having 11 with a cost of 13. So we will update this instead of choosing this we will be choosing the another one. If you have, you can choose. Okay, so we have selected 11 with a cost of 13. So this is the minimum one, so it will be placed in the close. Yes, now write the remaining ones. Now, what are the child nodes of 11?
12.
12,
12 with a
12.
cost of
14,
14. 14? No, 13, na?
14 आएगा मैं
14, ma'am.
See here, if you go in the same way, like in 11 we get, see, 3 plus
Yes, ma'am. 13.
2, 5, 5 and 4, 9, 9 and 3, 12, 12 and 1, 13, 13 plus 0 is
Yes,
13.
ma'am. 13.
okay मैम 13
Yes.
Okay, now see you got a gold node, but gold node is on the open. Now until and unless it will not go to close, we are not going to stop the problem. Okay, now
Yes,
what is the
ma'am.
minimum value? We have the minimum value as 12.
12 with a cost of 13.
Now you have got the node in the gold node in the close queue, so you are going to terminate the problem. Okay, you are going to terminate because you got the gold node in the closed loop. Until and unless your gold node is not in the closed loop, you are not going to stop the problem. You will continue with the same process. Okay, so
yes मैम
now see, if you remember the previous problem, uniform cost search, can you tell me how many nodes are expanded to reach the gold node? How many nodes are expanded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nodes are expanded, right? To reach the gold node 12. Here also we got a minimum cost 13. And in uniform cost also we got the, for the same problem, we got the minimum cost as 13 only. Yes?
yes
Yes
मैम
or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes मैम
So here also we are getting the same one, but the nodes expanded are less. Here the total expanded nodes are 6 nodes,
Yes, ma'am. 6 notes.
right? 6 nodes expanded. Okay. Or initially you can write minimum cost to reach goal node is 13. Okay, and total 6 nodes are expanded. Fine. So I can say in A star, as we are getting a less nodes to get expand. In uniform cost search, do you remember how many nodes we have expanded? 11 nodes. After
Yes,
11 node,
ma'am.
we are getting the goal node. After expansion of the 11 node, it's I can say double. I can say double of this. So this is more efficient because here we are having on each node we are having the heuristic value. So because of this heuristic value, we are getting the more optimal solution. Okay. And Om, you have asked one question. What is that C of n comma m, that function, right? So that is nothing but, see, from like from 1 to 3, if I need a calculation. So what is that? 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. If I want to calculate the g of value from 1 to 11. Okay. So how we are calculating? 1 to 2, 2 to 6, 6 to 10 and 10 to 11. Okay. So that is some value, like that is 12. Okay. And from here also we are getting a calculation. So whichever is the minimum, we are taking that. Got my point? Minimum of C of n comma m. Okay. Minimum value of, okay, whatever the C of n comma n. N is some node
Ma'am,
and m is some node.
is there any backtracking technique in it?
No. Backtracking is not there. Backtracking in traveling salesman or problem also, if we say that same city we cannot visit again. If you remember the problem,
Yes, ma'am.
once you start from the source node, you are reaching to the some particular node and your problem is completed as in loop. Okay. If these are the cities, okay, if these are the cities, so likewise cities are there, for example, and this is your start node. So if you started with this node, from this node to this node, from this node to this node, from this node to this node, okay, and maybe from this node to this node. So you have completed, and here that is you have finished with the problem. Okay, but never you go for the backtracking. You never come back and go to this, and from here you cannot particular move to the city. That is not allowed in the traveling salesman problem. Okay, so here also we cannot go back. Okay, because we are finding the shortest path for the such type of problem, traveling salesman problem, like, okay, we are finding the shortest path. Is that okay, Om?
यस मैम। मैम वो एक बार वो ये जो अपन ने छः नोट्स एक्सपेंड किए थे मैम, उसको एक बार थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट में ओवरव्यू दीजिए ना।
Yes, again
बस
I
याद
will come to
रखिए।
the point. Yes, so I was explaining C of n comma m, like we came to the point in 11 with a cost of 13. Okay, we also have 11 with a cost of 14. Okay, but which is the more minimum? More minimum is 11 with a cost of 13. By this way, 11 with a cost of 13. By this way, we have 11 with a cost of 14. So whichever is minimum, we are choosing that in an open queue. Got my point? So that is what C of n comma m is saying. Okay, if you have more minimum value, you choose that one and place that value in the open queue. Okay, we also have done this in uniform cost search also. We are updating the value. If we get a more optimal cost, more minimum cost, we are updating that. Here, if we are getting more f of n value, more minimum, we are updating that value. Okay, again I will revise once the problem. Please see here. This problem A star we are performing here for the graph 1. Okay, so you have been given a graph nodes of 12 nodes. Okay, and every value which is on the edge is you imagine it is some cost value that is reaching from one node to node 2. The g of value is been given. Okay, and on the box in red color is the heuristic value, that is heuristic value for node 1 is 12. It means that when I am on the node 1, okay, these nodes are nothing but these are the cities you can imagine. Okay, when I am on the node 1, so reaching from one node directly to the 12 node, okay, estimated cost is 12, because heuristic value is nothing but from one node to the goal node, what is the total calculation. Okay, that is the heuristic value. So that which has been mentioned in the square box is nothing but the heuristic value for each and every node. So we have, in this example, we have taken some heuristic value. Is that okay? Now, initially in open queue, we are placing the first node, that is initial node, that is node 1. Now let us calculate the f of n value for the node 1. Okay, within formula, f of n equals to g of n plus h of n. Okay, so for initial state, start state, g of n value will be 0, because from start to start there is no distance calculation, there is no cost calculation. So g of n value will be 0. That is why we have written here 0 plus what is the heuristic value? 12. So total it will be 12. Is that okay? So that is the f of n value we have written. Now elaborate the node 1, that is write its child nodes. Child nodes are 2 and 5. 2 with an f of n value as 12, because 2 plus 10. Okay, 2 plus 10 is 12, and for 5 it will be 1 plus 12. So it will be 13. Is that okay to you? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now for choose the minimum one. Minimum we are seeing here 2 with an f of n value of 12. So I am writing here 2 with an f of n value as 12 in the close one. Now again write the remaining one. So 5 with the cost of 13 we have written. Okay, and the child nodes of 2. Child node of 2 is 3 and 6. Okay, now for 3, the distance calculation g of n value will be 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, right? So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus the heuristic value of node 3 is 16. So it will be total 19. Okay, I have mentioned here, might be where it is. Yes, 3 लिखा है क्या मैंने यहाँ पे? Yes, this one. Okay, 3 plus 16 is 19. Okay, now 6 is 2 plus 3, 5, and 5 plus the heuristic value of node 6 is 7. Fine, so that is nothing but 12. Now which is the minimum one? You choose it, placed in the close. Okay, 6 with a cost of 12. Again write the child nodes of 6 and 6, that is 10 and 7, with an f of n value as 13 and 16. Okay, 10 we are having here 2 plus 3 plus 4. G value and h value will be 4. So that will be total 13. Right? And for here we are updating as 17. 7 with an f of n value as 17. Is that okay? Now choose the minimum one. Here there is a tie. Okay, 5 within 13 and 10 within 13. So you can choose any one. So whichever is first in the priority queue, you can select it that. So 5 within 13 was already there. So we have chosen 5 within 13. Okay, so likewise we will move until and unless the 12 node 12, which is a goal node, is been found. Okay, but if it is in the open loop, the problem will not stop. Since here we are getting the value in the open, but we have not stopped the problem until and unless it will be placed in the close queue. Once it is placed in the close queue, that is the termination or the end of the problem. Okay, and we can find the minimum cost. Okay, from start node to reaching goal node, minimum cost is 13. Okay, and number of nodes expanded are 6. As in case of uniform cost search, for the same problem we have seen in last class, we have 11 nodes expanded. We got the same minimum cost value 13, but total 11 nodes were expanded. Here we have expanded with 6 nodes, okay, and with the minimum cost as 13 only. Is that okay to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you all.